Hi, I'm Allison.
And I'm Naya.
And we're going to teach you about Gestalt Psychology.
Which do you think is more important, the big picture or the small parts that form that picture? According to Gestalt Psychology, our minds are concerned with the whole. In German, Gestalt means configuration or form.
Closure.
The first principle is closure. When we see a shape that is incomplete, we automatically fill in the blanks to make it complete.
Look at this image. What do you see? If you saw a panda, you're correct. But did you notice anything else? These 3 lines were missing. Your mind completed the image on its own. Now look at this image. What do you see? The shape does appear to be a circle, but the image is incomplete. The same goes for these triangles. We don't know if they are triangles. Our brains just complete the image and turn them into triangles. Proximity.
The second principle is proximity. This principle forms the idea that elements that are near each other tend to be seen as a group or unit.
Look at these dots. You probably want to group them together, similar to this.
You tend to group things more than you realize. In real life, if people are standing next to each other, you may see them as a group of friends.
Simplicity. The next principle is simplicity. According to this principle, we organize objects or images in the simplest way possible. Look at the image. You are probably using closure to turn the center into a box, while thinking that there are 4 circles behind the box. These circles are not complete. We simply assume that they are. The same goes for these circles. You assume that they overlap, but one is really just a crescent shape.
Continuity.
The fourth principle is continuity. As humans, we prefer to see things as a continuous or smooth form.
Look at the image. How would you draw the lines? You probably drew 2 straight lines like this, but it could have been done differently in 2 V shapes like this. The same goes for this image. Your mind wants the lines to be drawn smoothly, but again, they don't necessarily have to be.
Similarity.
The fifth principle is similarity. We tend to group together things that are visually similar to one another.
Look at the picture. Which one is the odd man out? It's very easy to tell that it is the one on the far right because the other 3 are so similar. Look at this image. How would you group these dots together if asked to rearrange them? It would probably turn out something like this. We group by similarity every day. When we look out into a crowd, we may group by hair color, skin color, or shirt color. Teachers may even use similarity to help you relate topics by grouping similar ones together.
Figure and ground / multi-stability.
Other examples of Gestalt psychology are figure and ground relationships or multi-stability. Figure and ground relationships show what we focus on, the figure, and what we push to the background.
This is a classic example. What do you see? If you focus on the white, you see a vase. If you focus on the black, you see 2 faces. Now, what do you see in this image? Depending on where you focus, you may see a bear or you may see a bird.
Multi-stability is another form of this relationship. It again depends upon where your focus lies. In this image, where is the cube facing? Depending on where you're focused, the answers could vary. The 5 principles of Gestalt psychology all fall under the belief that all objects and scenes could be observed in their simplest forms.
Maybe you'll start to notice these in everyday life.
Thanks for watching!